Hey guys, this is Mike from AIT. Today we're going to be going over a recent inspection we did using thermal and infrared scans for roof-mounted solar panels. We do this on large solar fields also, but this one just happened to be a 3-story house and they were losing about half of their output from their panels. When we got up there, you can see that one half of the house looks clear. We don't see any problems, we don't see any damage. As we come around the front of the property though, you'll see in the area that we circle, it's actually got multiple impacts. That's from a hailstorm a couple weeks prior. The owner thought that they were outside of that impact damage, but they weren't. Hailstorms kind of pick and choose which properties they hit and which ones they don't. So this one, it only hit the front of the house. We were using a FLIR Zenmuse XT 640. We also flew with an infrared scan. We usually overlay those, but as you can see here, they lost about 60% of their panels. We were able to tell them which solar panels were bad, which cells were bad. They contact their provider and get them replaced. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below. Have a good day.